distance with dead eyes, but I think it's that one over there.
Huh?
There we go. Forget that confusing thing.
Wonder what it is.
Okay.
You think it's a book? It's a book.
Something. Something.
Could be a shirt.
Yeah, could be.
Could be.
Yeah. Sir?
Could be. Could be underwear.
That kind
Oh, now you got it for here too. That's good.
Got it for your house.
two kind
Yeah.
Well, that was on your.
She's so quick.
Oh,
Tears open a little hole and says,
that's kidding me. Now you can play it with mommy and daddy, and
You
then
have
they.
to show mommy how to play now.
You're right. We're still learning on that one.
Can't open that one.
We'll play it later.
Okay.
You got lots of games, huh?
Huh?
You got lots of games.
Okay.
I didn't like that bow anyway.
My favorite bow.
You liked it?
Your favorite bow?
It was your favorite? Well, you should have said that.
Can't get rid of that tree. Let me lose it.
What's wrong?
Huh?
What's wrong?
She's trying to get under the tree.
Oh, who goes on it?
This is.
Oh, that's from great grandma.
It's mine?
That's for you from great grandma.
My mommy?
Okay. It's mine. It's mine.
It's yours.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh, they're closed. They're closed.
You got
Oh,
clothes?
Closed.
Wow.
You excited?
Yeah.
Cool. Those are pretty clothes.
Yeah.
Oh, how nice.
Wow.
Pretty. Like cupcakes.
Wait,
You got
cupcakes.
It has cupcakes on it.
There's that striped sweater again.
So you've been wanting that?
Huh? No, it's just everything's stripes.
Oh.
Yeah, that's. Remember the sweater I got with stripes? Yeah.
Open up your stuff from Santa Claus.
That's cute.
Probably all toys.
This princess.
She did better for Christmas than birthday, huh? Oh, don't put that on tape.
Maybe Moore's.
Yeah.
Yeah, strike that.
Where's your bucket?
Cut that out. Edit that.
Yeah.
What's in that one?
Birthday was harder.
There's some of Dottie's.
Oh, jeez.
Where's my Dottie? Not my Dottie. Oh, it's got toys. Oh, it's got toys.
How sweet.
You remembered your stocking, huh?
What is it?
Oh.
Oh,
What is it?
it's Mickey Mouse paper.
It's a Mickey Mouse paint set? Wow.
It's
Here,
awesome.
hand on your stocking. Is there more in there?
Yes. This
There you
one.
go.
What is this one?
You get itchy hiney?
Paper. See. Not paper.
And it's markers and coloring.
Where's your markers at?
Yeah.
You need new markers.
Yeah. We got new markers. Got new markers, Daddy.
All right, Mama.
Yeah. Cactus that picture. No tape on me. Bad tape.
Yeah.
You open this
You
one.
open that one.
You're so dramatic.
It's got ears that open. Oh. New tie.
New candy?
New tie, Dad.
All right, see, Mama.
Look.
Let me see.
He got a cake.
Wow.
Oh.
Yes, throw it again.
Open up the others.
Huh?
Open up the others. You got 2 more stocking stuffers.
Huh?
Behind you.
Here.
Oh.
Silly.
What's this one? Hey. What is that one?
Dora the Explorer.
Huh?
Dora the Explorer.
Oh. It's what?
Notepad.
Huh?
Notepad.
It's an aquadoodle.
No.
Wow. I didn't get one of those for Christmas.
No.
No. I don't know.
You opened this.
In a little bit.
Okay.
Open up your last one.
Where?
Right here.
Okay. All day. Right there. What is this one?
I don't know. What do you think?
New.
Oh, wow.
What is it?
What is it?
I don't know. Is
What
it
is
crayons?
that?
Crowns?
Yeah. I think it's crayons. It looks like crayons.
Brand new ones.
Brand new ones?
Uh-huh. You like them?
2 brand new ones.
All right.
Okay, let's open big ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here's one from Santa.
What are trees?
Okay, open one from Santa.
Okay. Ugh.
What's the nail?
Huh?
Is it a boat?
You're going to sleep.
Yeah.
You're still. Did you sleep good last night?
Huh?
Did you sleep good last night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
What's it at our house? 4:30 or something. We should get up.
What is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, it's mouse. It's mouse. It's mouse.
Oh, look at that.
What is it?
What is that mouse?
A mouse?
That mouse.
Did you make
What
that
is
with
that mouse?
That's like the